The iPad has always been a device caught between two worlds. For some, it's a giant iPhone. For others, it's a laptop that's missing a soul. But today, the conversation changed. We are standing at the threshold of the most significant update in the history of the standard tablet. This is the Apple iPad 12th generation, and it isn't just an incremental update. It is the moment Apple finally decided to stop holding back. If you've been waiting to upgrade, or if you've been wondering if the tablet is finally ready to replace your computer, you need to hear this. Because the iPad 12 isn't just a new gadget, it is a shift in the very definition of what a base model can be. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. For years, the entry-level iPad was the safe choice. It was the student's companion, the coffee shop browser, the reliable but unexciting slate. But the 12th generation has inherited the DNA of the Pro and the Air in ways we never thought Apple would allow. It starts with the heart of the machine. Rumors and leaks have pointed toward the integration of the A16 Bionic or even a variant of the M-series chip. Think about that for a second. We are talking about desktop-class architecture in a device that starts at a fraction of the price of a MacBook. This means the gap between pro workflows and everyday use has officially vanished. Whether you're rendering 4K video, layering complex digital art in Procreate, or running intensive AI-driven applications, the iPad 12 doesn't just handle it, it flies. But power is nothing without a window to see it through. The new display on the 12th gen is a masterpiece of engineering for the masses. We are seeing a move toward a fully laminated display across the entire line, eliminating that annoying air gap that used to separate the glass from the pixels. The colors are deeper, the whites are brighter, and the responsiveness to the Apple Pencil is now near instantaneous. For the first time, the base model feels like premium glass. It feels like you're touching the interface itself, not just a screen. And with the shift to thinner, more symmetrical bezels, the immersive experience is total. When you hold this, you aren't looking at a budget device. You're looking at the future of digital paper. Now, let's talk about the change everyone in the US has been waiting for, the landscape-oriented camera. For years, we've been forced to look awkward on Zoom calls and FaceTime, staring off to the side because the camera was placed for portrait mode. Apple has finally corrected this. By moving the ultra-wide camera to the long edge, the iPad 12 is now a video conferencing powerhouse. Combined with center stage technology, the camera follows you, pans with you, and keeps you perfectly framed. Whether you're a professional taking a meeting from a home office or a student attending a remote lecture, the iPad 12 makes you look like you're using a high-end studio setup. The evolution doesn't stop at the hardware. iPadOS 18 and beyond are designed to unlock the true potential of this 12th generation hardware. We are seeing a more flexible multitasking system that finally feels intuitive. The ability to snap windows, use an external display with full support, and manage files with the ease of a desktop is no longer a dream. This is the year the iPad stops being a secondary device and starts being the only device. For the creator on the go, the writer in the park, or the executive on a cross-country flight, the iPad 12 offers a level of freedom that a clunky laptop simply cannot match. One of the most underrated aspects of this new release is the battery